Hey guys, welcome back to Monicaro Custom Guitars and welcome to another episode of the CNC Guitar Build Season 2. Now, I know it's been a while since I've done one of this episode, but I was waiting for this package, which finally have arrived. So, let's roll the intro and we can unbox this puppy. Okay guys, so from the title you might have guessed what it is. This is the actual hardware for the headless guitar. These are from Mera guitars from Ukraine, and this is the Submarine 3 model. So let's open this up. Nice message on the box, actually my name. Some mounting screws and tools, and this is the head pieces. So this is the tuner gold with black screws and tuner's accent. The base plate comes in black as well. Basically the base plate goes on the body and the tuners goes on the base plate. They're quite a weight to them. And they're really nice. Now regarding the headpiece, he has two models to choose from, the droplets and the ovals. I went for the ovals. These are basically like this. And yeah, string goes through here and it locks with the Allen key. So what I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to mount them in a linear way on the neck, either at an angle to match the fan fret or straight. I haven't yet decided, but for sure it's going to be like kind of this setup. I saw a picture about these in this particular setup near each other, and it was very neat and very elegant. Basically it's nice. Now, more on the bridge. As I said, gold hardware with black accents, plenty of movement for intonation. This is the issue that I'm going through with the design. I need to sort out exactly placement of the bridge. This particular model comes in two different angles, 90 degrees for a normal guitar and 60 degrees for a multi-scale instrument. Now, with a scale length of 27 inch and 25.5 inch, basically the high E goes further down, where the low E goes exactly on the tuner. Now that's why I wanted to have exactly the bridge in my hand, so I can know exactly how much treble I have for intonation and whether or not I have to change the scale and to accommodate this bridge. Again, this is the first time I'm building a headless guitar. The first time I'm using this kind of hardware. So it's all new and at this point experimental. If you notice something particular about this bridge, maybe I try to get it in shot. The spacing of here versus here is much wider between the tuners. That's because obviously the higher the chord is, the thicker, so the string space is calculated differently because taking in consideration the thickness of the string. So technically the string goes, this will be the saddle, goes underneath and it locks inside here with this grab screw, and then you can tune with the tuner. It's really quite neat, to be honest. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it and learned something from it. In the next episode I'm going to go through on some design features, since now I have the actual part, the actual hardware in hand, so I can confirm certain dimensions. So yeah, next episode will be much more into design and probably I'm going to cut some material. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my next release. I do guitar and CNC related content. And to the new subscribers and to the old ones, take care and goodbye.